Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to our first live streaming session of Scalping Titans Live. I am Roy, your Titan.
And I'm your tired and MSK, your co-pilot on this thrilling journey. Today marks the beginning of an exciting voyage into depths of trading.
Thank you so much, MSK, for introducing yourself. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. And sorry for a few delays because of some technical issues. As all of you know that this is our very first live streaming session. So, in our session, we would be covering today's market news, live chart analysis. We would be giving you live trade calls and chart analysis on demand.
We will make it an interactive session and want your active participation through comments.
Meanwhile, you subscribe our channel and like the video. And I start with the Forex Factory, and let's see what are the news today. So today is Friday, 1st March, and at the moment it's 14:41 GMT. So the news we are having actually, that's the first manufacturing PMI. That's it's after 18 minutes, and the another one is the revised UM consumer sentiments. So let me tell you something about the news about this thing. So 49.5% is the forecast value, and the previous was 49.5, 49.1. So there is another news at 14:45, but that's the minor news. The major news we are expecting, which can make big impact. That's first manufacturing PMI after 18 minutes, and after 17 minutes now actually. So let's see. Let's go to chart, and I start with the chart with the DXY. So that's we do the analyze. So at the moment I am on daily chart for DXY. So if someone does not know DXY is the basically dollar index. This is the comparison of dollar with the other major currencies basket. So let's see what does it say. So on this one, if there is, yes, there is a trend line over here. That's the one. And there's another trend line. This is the weekly one over here as well. So these are two weekly trend lines on DXY. Okay. So meanwhile, we would keep an eye on the impact as well. Impact of the news. If the news come, then we see what's gonna happen. In our first session, we won't be doing any news trading. We would be considering trade after that one. So let's see on daily if there is any things over here on daily chart as well. Okay, so on daily one, yeah. So there is a this was the resistance area over here. Okay, and the price is quite far away, and there is another small daily trend line which is covering over here as well. If you see that's the purple one, and this price is going, DXY is forming sort of a channel, and if we do it something like this, so it can be a bearish bearish flag as well on daily time frame. So let's go quickly to the 4-hour time frame. So what it's saying in 4 hour. So DXY is performing, if you see, there is a resistance over here. DXY is exactly on the resistance on 4-hour time frame. If it breaks the resistance, the next stop can be like, it can go up to this trend line. This is the weekly trend line, very strong one. if we see if there is any pattern formation on 4-hour time frame. So the most important thing at the moment is this one. The price is on 4-hour time frame. If you see, it's respecting this daily trend line, and that's the resistance. That's the support trend line, that's the resistance. So at the moment the price seems to break that resistance, but I can't say if this would be a fake out or if it would be a breakout. We would see on the shorter time frame. So it's 1 hour, yeah, it's over here. So we can see that there are next resistance available. That's the first one. Okay, and that's the next one as well. So these are the quite possibilities at the moment. If it breaks, it may retrace from this level as well, or it may retrace from this level as well. So that's the 1 hour. So it's MSK. MSK, if you can please share your screen.
Can you please enable the whole screen sharing?
Yeah, please.
So here we are at the gold. I'm gonna remove the drawings here for just for the naked chart and what's price doing right now. Currently, we were at the resistance and got rejected badly. Here, this was our resistance zone, and this was our support zone over here. Price moved up, rejected from resistance, but the current direction will be I'm looking for the sell opportunity here again at this area. I'm expecting gold to give a correction of at least.
So if there is a live call, you can give the values, so our viewers can take a live call as well. So that would be the very first live call here.
I'm expecting gold to go up on the news and trigger our sell limit at 2060.
So
But
you are giving 2060 is the sell limit, yeah? So what's the
yes,
stop
and
loss?
stop loss will be 2070, 100 pips stop loss because we are taking trade on a bigger time frame. So
So
we should give
twenty
space.
sixty is the entry, and
Yes,
2070 is the stop loss. So, okay, so you are analyzing and you're giving the trade call meanwhile as well.
yes. So currently, if we look at the daily chart and remove the previous drawings as well,
Sorry,
you can.
sorry, sorry, sorry. There is something. I think so. There is some issue with the. Are you sharing your screen?
Yes, I'm sharing my screen. Can
Just
you
one
see it?
second. Mhm.
Let me check. Can you see it?
So, can anyone see MSK screen, gold chart, or is still DXY chart?
I can easily see my live going on YouTube right now.
Okay.
Yes.
So your chart is
My chart is visible on the YouTube right now.
okay. That's fine then. I'm really sorry. Yeah, please
Okay.
carry on.
So as we can see, we can easily see over here.
Hmm.
Here it was our uh, support here. This was our resistance over here. Let me mark it. I'm expecting gold to move up, and yeah, I think we gave analysis on the previous week, I guess, and I also give the levels of 2043, I guess. I'm not sure, but currently I'm expecting gold to move up on the news, to do some manipulation, hunt stop losses over here, and move down. So on the daily time frame, we can expect from here to here a 50% move retracement, which was our support level.
Okay, so news came down, and news is uh no,
So
no, no, no,
if
no, no.
if this doesn't if this doesn't happen, or if it doesn't uh trigger our sell limit, we can also go an instant sell. Let's see, but a sell limit is a good option for me currently on 2060 on
Yeah.
this wick, on this
Okay.
wick.
Okay. So DXY started its move, but we are still waiting. There are 9 minutes left, so you can carry on. Yeah.
Okay, so
Mm.
on the 4 hour time frame, as you can easily see, price is moving a bit very slowly, and printing wicks as well on the chart. I'm expecting that there is no volumes over here. Price should go up if there is volume down there. So there is volume right over here at this area, but high volumes are sitting at 2060 and 2064. If we look at the 1 hour chart, so we have drawn our levels as well.
Mm.
So our target should be first target should be 2039
Okay.
for the cells, and second target our second target should be 2028. So this, if it moves up like this,
Mm.
and go down, it would be a 200 pip move.
Okay.
But currently, if we should not take any sell entry, we should use pending orders. That's my take on gold. You can carry yours now.
Okay. Thank you so much. If you let me allow, so that I can share my screen as well. Yeah. So we are waiting for the news as well. So meanwhile, let me see what does the GBP USD says. Okay. So GBP USD is falling. So let me go its analysis. This is not the call. So first we are doing analyze, and after that, meanwhile MSK has given a gold call as well. So MSK, if you please repeat the gold call values. So if
2060 is the sell limit.
okay,
Stop loss is 2070.
stop loss is 2070. Yeah, okay, and take profit levels.
Take First take profit level is 2039,
Okay,
and second take profit level is 2028,
okay,
and
that's perfect.
SLBE levels are 2045.
Okay, so B level is SLB level is 2045. So everyone, you can take your uh, trade, your first trade. So let me go to GBP USD chart quickly. That's the weekly. So we are doing analysis first, then we're gonna do uh, the trade calls once we finish the one. So yeah, so that's GBP USD weekly chart. If we see where it's over here, that's the one. This is weekly resistance trend line. Okay, and then there is a spot in this region. Sorry, that's the weekly one. Okay, so let's go to quickly on daily time frame. Okay, so in daily time frame, if we see if there is a support level over here, that's the daily support level. Let me make it quickly. Yeah, okay, so that's the support level zone. Okay, so let's go on 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame, GBP USD, if you see, it's playing in a range, uh, like um, since 14th December. This is the range, okay, and this is the range. Price is moving like in this zone, okay. So on a 4-hour time frame, if we see, there was a trend line on 4-hour time frame. It's broken, and now price is making another downward trend line, or you can see if it is making a downward sort of channel. Let me zoom in. So yeah, so that's something. So I am presuming the price is moving in a channel, okay, in a range, on daily time frame, on 4-hour time frame. If you see, it can be a bullish flag pattern, okay. So I see that its price is testing uh, this support level currently. If this support level breaks, then there may be, yeah. If this support level breaks, then this may be the next level, okay, definitely. So price is moving in this channel, so I believe so that we gonna hit uh, this support line, and from there price may reverse the value, price may take the reversal. So if this support level is broken, and if price follows this channel, so the retracement price can be this one. So let me see on yeah, so that's my take. So on GBP USD, so it's your turn, MSK, if you can analyze. So there is the news as well. There is just news in a minute. So let's see what does the news say. And I open
I'm thank
you
you,
open
Roy.
yeah, you open the DXY charts, sorry, your gold chart, and let's see your trade call,
Let's
what
see.
happens to
Yes.
the, yeah. So news is just few seconds away. So if there is a wick over here, let's see. So where is the sell limit? If you please
Always
keep on
remember,
screen.
if price goes down before the news, there's a high probability chances that price will reverse on upside. So let's see how it goes.
Okay. So at the moment you are taking only sell limit, not the buy one.
Yes. See.
That's perfect. That's good
So
thing.
let me check what is the
Okay.
news
So
right
yeah,
now. What are the
yeah.
values right
News
now?
is like it's. Let's see if they are good for the DXY or if they are bad for DXY. If they are good for DXY, it means bad for gold. Okay. So
So price the current scene is bad.
yeah,
I think it's bad for the new the revised
for
consumer
the currency,
sentiment.
let's see. Yeah, so it's the mixed one. So one is good,
Yes.
so one is bad. So that's the mixed one. So let's see if there is any wick over here. No, there
As
is
I
no
told you
any.
that uh on the 15-minute time frame, it was our
No, there is not big wick.
let's see.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah,
Yeah,
it happens with the time. Yeah.
Euro USD chart price moved very well. Other
Okay.
pairs behaved good on news. It was a good reaction on Euro USD, on JPY.
Mm.
It's ongoing call. Let's see. On gold, let's see how it behaves.
So is your gold call is still valid or not?
It's still valid.
It's still valid.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Because
fine.
there is also FOMC members. FOMC member will speak at 11:30. So if they remain hawkish or they just tried or give any hint of rate
Okay,
cut,
that's
then
fine. That's fine. That's fine. So let's go to the chart. Yeah. So quickly,
so if we look at the JPY, it was my own trade.
Mm.
So currently,
So analyze. So
price.
analyze. We will be giving calls later on. So if you analyze that one from,
So
uh,
if we look at the daily time frame, price reacted very well and moved towards this support zone and tapped this area. If we look at the 4 hour chart, price broke the structure on 4 hour like this. This
mm,
is a structure
okay,
and dumped and retest. So
that's
here was
perfect.
a retest. On retest, I took this trade and it's going well. Our take profit is round about
Okay.
189.382 and our stop loss is
So
190.8.
if you analyze this thing instead of telling
So
the trade
currently I'm
calls.
expecting JPP JPY to move
Mm,
if we look for the buy entry right now, for the
mm,
short buy entry, uh, if we use our Fibonacci levels of sorry, zero point 0.5 retracement, it's gone below the 4.5 retracement. If it comes back, if it comes back, you can also take a sell entry around here, but I'm expecting JBP JPY to go over here because if we look at the 1 hour chart,
mm,
there is a support level over here, as you can all see. If
mm,
we if I move the screen on full size, there is a support level over here. I'm
okay.
expecting JPY to just test this support level here,
Okay. So this is on
and
one
then
hour time frame.
yeah, this is on 1 hour time frame.
That's
Daily
perfect.
looks still daily looks good for me, but if we look at the daily time frame, it's after the strong selling pressure, we can expect again a bullish candle, and then the next on the Monday, it will also retest this zone. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, so this was my analysis on JBP, JPY. I have to keep short because I have to give you also give you an opportunity to give analysis on those pages
Thank you
as
so
well.
much. Yeah. So I'm on Euro USD. So let me analyze Euro USD from uh, top to bottom analysis. Okay, so that's the weekly position of Euro USD. If we see, so there is one weekly support available uh, in this zone. Okay, so one is the weekly support, which was here. It was uh, tested and then price is moving around this one, so that's on the weekly one. So let's go to daily. Okay, so on daily time frame, uh, there is a clear formation of uh, if we see, sorry, that's too. So now that is the spot trend line. Okay, so currently if we see, there is that was a bearish scenario. So price came to this trend line, respected this trend line. That's the weekly spot that spotted that one. So this trend line was broken on daily time frame. Okay, so price is coming down to retest this trend line and this support line as well. If the price support this one, then it may go up again. So at the moment, let's go to 4 hour time frame. So what we can see on 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame, if we see there is, this is the uh, support zone. That's the support area. So if we see if there is uh, I believe so. If I see, I believe so. I think so. That this is that's the sport area. So since 20th February, it's like 10 days. Price is moving in this range. So that's like it's more than it's like 10 days now. Okay, more than 10 days now. Price is moving in this range. So if price respects this one on low time frame, like for example, if we see on 1 hour time frame, so if you see this is over here, so we can play in this range for some time. If this is broken, if this range is broken, price breaks this value. Okay, so we would be bearish till this trend line and this support area. So that would be your next one. So if price respects this support zone, then we can be bullish uh, till this level. Okay, so this is 1.08549. So and if this level is broken 1.07895, then we can be bearish in 1.07294. So that's my take. So price is moving in a range. So let's see. So we can play on Euro USD, clear support and resistance. Okay, if the price comes here, okay, so we can go with good risk reward ratio with this stop loss. Okay, and can play up to here. If this support is broken, so we can make this one 1.07294 or target for the bearish one. So this may can like this area can give us good risk to reward ratio. So MSK, nowadays there is a crypto fever. So let's go to crypto. What do you say?
Yeah, we should look at the BTC chart right now.
Okay,
What's
that's
going
really good.
on BTC? If we look at the BTC chart on a monthly time frame, its all-time highs are 69052, and currently it's floating around 61873. Currently, I'm expecting BTC to sustain this level and kind of resistance, which is on daily time frame, monthly time frame is this zone. If we mark it with line, which is this zone, and if we move to weekly time frame, as you can see easily, price is moving at 61967. Our resistance zone is this area. I'm expecting BTC after this higher low. I'm expecting BTC to close or give retracement at least at on the weekly time frame, which is around this candle's 50% retracement, which is around 57. This is our retracement level and level. Sorry. If we move at our daily chart, so it's showing a rejection still. Today's daily candle, if we see closely, closed at the same level of 62,481, and the second one just tapped it and still getting rejection. Currently I'm expecting BTC to make, if trend is in bullish conditions, I am expecting BTC to give retracement over here, then bounce back at this level. So if we go at the 4 hour time frame for shorter trade entries or shorter analysis, as you can see, price is still rejecting from this zone, 688182, and our daily candle, as I told you, 62737 is the area and tested it here on the daily time frame. If we again switch it, it's again got rejected at the level of this is zone. So if we'll go at the 4 hour chart, you can see on the other time frames, it's getting rejected. And if we go at the 1 hour chart, so our on 1 hour chart, it's just moving in a range, and according to 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, or 3 hour chart, our structure is kind of in bearish move. I'm expecting BTC to test this zone. As I told you on the monthly time frame, the monthly 50 candles, 50% retracement is at the same spot of this 1 hour. You can see this 1 hour candle. It's just tested this wick. 57, 578 is our area. Uh, Heading back to Roy.
Thank you so much, SK. Thank you so much. So give me a second here. So how did you like our effort? So there are a few viewers as well. So if you tell us in your comments, so what you want from us. So are you liking till now? Any feedback, any comments? This would be a live interactive session. It's not like we are telling our stories to you, but you can tell us what you want from us and what you like, what you don't dislike. So you can tell us. So before moving further, if you tell in the comments on YouTube, uh, uh, are you liking our efforts? So there I can see the few comments that people they are asking for gold. Okay, so in our session we would be doing uh, on demand analysis as well. So if anyone wants us to do on demand for any chart, for any pair, so you can tell us, you can write over here as well. Okay, so this is the thing. So before going further, there is a question from our viewers. So which pattern is this? Can anyone tell? Thank you so much, Mr. Hassan. Um, you both are doing great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Umar, for liking our effort. But can anyone tell which pattern is that? Okay, Hassan Ahmed, head and shoulders. Brown Swedish, head and shoulders. Okay. Nimra Bilal, head and shoulders. War Khan, head and shoulders. Okay, any more? If I get two more, then I will tell if it's head and shoulders or no. Just two more people to comment. Okay, head and shoulders. Yes, this is head and shoulders. So if you see, so there is another question. If you see this one, is this a valid head and shoulders? Thank you, Munib Sahil, Ahmed Naeem. Yes, this was head and shoulders, but now the again question, is this a valid head and shoulders? There is a new chart over here you can see on your screen. If you tell me if this is a valid. Okay, S and M, yep. Okay, 1 vote. Let's see Nimra Bilal. Yeah, okay, this is valid. Ahmed Naeem is saying yes, it's valid as well. Okay, so S and yes, valid. Okay, that's fine. Anyone else? If they can say if this is valid or not. Yeah, Munib, yes, valid. That's fine. So we have quite intelligent audience. It's really good. Quite informative. Yeah, the both questions were answered correctly. Okay, so now tell me why this why this one is valid. What's the reason? Or intelligent audience can tell us. Yes, it is valid, but why? Any logic? Okay, S&M, that's really good. Neckline broke. Okay. Uh, that's good. Okay. So I'm not teaching you anything. I'm just testing. I'm trying to be interactive with you guys, trying to analyze the intellect level of our audience. Okay. So we are talking about crypto now. So it's crypto fever is spreading like COVID. That's fine. So thank you so much, Nimra. That's really good answer. Okay. Um, so my take on Ethereum. So BTC was analyzed by MSK. Whoever like MSK is analyzes about BTC. Okay, just tell us. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you like our efforts, if you like our videos, just to give us some good pushback. Okay, so like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, so that's Ethereum. So if you guys want to do anything, like it's if you want us to analyze any further uh, uh, pairs as well, no matter it's crypto, no matter it's indices, no matter it's Forex or metals, oil, anything. So we're gonna be doing analysis for you. So so this is the thing. So okay, so you can tell us over here in the comment section and we'll be analyze for you. For BTC on weekly, if we see there was a resistance level 2491 to we can say that to 500, which was broken, or 2682, something like this. That was the resistance level which was broken. So on weekly time frame, that resistance is broken. So next resistance is on this level and price just touched, like we can say 366, something like this. So that's the, so price is at the moment in the resistance zone. So if you are thinking on weekly time frame, that was the previous one. So after that, the next resistance, weekly resistance, is all-time high. Okay, so let's see on the daily time frame. So we are just near to hit on weekly resistance of 3573. Okay, so if we see if there is any pattern, if there is any, so let me put some RSI over here, relative strength index. That's my favorite one. Okay, so if we see on daily time frame, so let's see what the scenario is. So that's the daily trend line. So okay, so over here as well. So that's the channel it's following. So if we see the price touch the top here and another time here, there is a sort of head and shoulders on, let's go on 4 hour time frame. Things would be clearer over here. So
Sorry to interrupt you, Roy. In between, our sell limit was triggered on 2660 level of gold.
okay, so sell limit is triggered. Okay, so well done. If anyone has taken the trade, let's see if MSK is a good trader or not. Okay, so this is so price may come over here. So what I believe, so at the moment price on 4 hour time frame, if you see there was a support area, price has taken off from this area. That was the previously this zone was acted as resistance on 4 hour time frame. Okay, so then retested, and from this support zone price is may go up. Okay, from this level I think so that price may go up to 3560 range. So this is the one. Meanwhile, price may create some divergence as well over here, and from there price will take its price may come down for the retracement on 4 hour. So let's go on 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, yeah, this is um, sort of it's forming head and shoulders pattern as well. It's getting clearer, but at the moment I can say that price may go up just one more time to this level just to retest. If price does not break, so first condition is price may break this support level. If it does not break this support level, then price may go up to this level and can take some retracement from over here as well. So that's what my analysis on ETH. So MSK, what about indices? And let's go to the gold. Let's go to your gold call, MSK.
Okay, I will share my analysis on indices as well. As we can see on US 30
Mhm.
on daily chart, as you can see on the chart, it's getting rejected from 38,801 area to
Okay,
38,720.
so just one sec. So if you can analyze gold first as well, we are having few uh,
So
requests on chat, you know.
this was our resistance zone, as I told you at the
Mm.
daily chart. If price moves above 2068 zone, then I will book my loss. And because it's all the game, it's all about probabilities, and no one is
So
confirmed
your
what's gonna
stop loss
happen.
is 2070. So we go by the
Yeah,
plug.
it's a safe stop loss.
Yeah, so it's 2070 is your stop loss, and price is on your entry range. So
Yeah.
this is the thing.
So
Your price is in the entry range, and because news is mixed, if we see the Forex Factory news, there were two news we were expecting today. One was positive, one was negative. So we can consider it as a, mixed news. Uh,
so if we look at this currently
okay.
price action, this was so big. This was a great impulsive move for upside. I'm expecting to market to take this wick
Mm.
and take this wick as well. And the second wick is over here, which is already taken out. So this was our chart, very clean. and currently I'm expecting to take all these weeks a week and move up. We can also take sell from 2065. These are all, this is all our selling zone. We can expect a good sell. As I told you when we were analyzing gold before, as I told you that if price move down before the news, then there's a high probability chances price will move up. Why I didn't took the buy? It's the main question because I'm bearish. My analysis is on bearish side because I'm not bullish on gold right now because it's on its crucial area. So if we remove this zone and replay it over here on 30-minute time frame. So this was our before the news area, news time. So as you can see on news, they dumped it and again price moved up. So if price moved close below the 4 hour candle, if price closes above 2065, then it's a bad sign for sellers, including me. I will book my loss at that time. If it doesn't happen, if price just goes up and just leave a wick like that, then we can expect a good selling pressure from upside. So let's see how it goes. Just because patience is the key. Let's see how market reacts on our uh, trade call. If we because there are not enough volumes over here, so volume will be injected at 2065 and 2063.94. Then we can expect gold to move down or give a retracement of at least 100 pips.
Okay, that's fine. So let's move to the indices. If you
So if
start
we
with
move
indices here.
indices, if we move to indices, as you can see, prices just moving very choppily, and there's a lot of prices moving. There is not enough volumes as well. If we look at the uh, ch- price action over here. So if there is volume in the chart or in candles, as you can see on gold, I will give reference of gold. Price move will move up like this, and over here, if we look at down here, there are not enough volumes. Price is in a range as same as in US 30 price. There are no enough volumes of here. Price is just consolidating and moving up like a turtle, and we can expect a move of downside from here from 39 because 39 39041 is our selling range. If we go at the 4 hour chart, see price is moving up very badly, and it's there are volumes present down here because trading is all about volumes and where are the volumes and how you will catch the volumes and go with the flow. At 1 hour time frame, price is still in a range. If I mark it 1 hour, price is still in a range. We can take a sell entry at the range high, which is 39043. On 30-minute time frame, it's we can easily see over here. The structure is still kind of bearish. There is a support of 38,735 and 38,821. I will mark it as a support level over here. So I'm currently in a sell position in US 30. The stop loss is 39,084. You can sell it right now. And our TP is 39. Let me put short position. We're selling it from 14 on 15-minute time frame. And our TP will be around 1:1.
Hmm.
Our stop loss will be around this low, this high.
Okay. So there is
This
another
will,
call from MSK. It's for DGI, Dow Jones Industrial Average.
and TP, our TP is
And
about to
it's
hit,
called as US
sadly.
30 as well. It's called as US 30 as well.
Yeah.
So MSK, what's your server? So everyone, if you,
Server is, I guess server is
so what's the entry level?
entry level. I gave you you entry level of 39014. Sadly,
So
our TP is about
it's
to hit.
already entered.
It's already entered, and
So why does not
our,
like? Okay, yeah. Let's continue with the analyze. Yeah.
all right. Okay.
Okay.
So if we look at the Nasdaq chart, Nasdaq is still bullish and printed its high today, which is around 18154.
Hmm.
This was our high currently on the daily time frame.
Okay.
And if we look at the low of our higher low is,
Hmm.
which is this area, uh, which is around 17793. So if we look at the retracement levels, which will be around, this will be our retracement level.
Okay. So that's on the daily time frame. Yeah.
That's on the daily time frame. And again, if we move to 4 hour time frame, as you can see, if price moves down, then first area will be around 17978. It will tap this area. And if we go at the 1 hour time frame, there is a bullish flag over here.
Okay.
It's a pattern, continuation pattern. It's a valid bullish flag. If we get our prediction, which is around 18562, this will be our area. If this,
It's US 100. Yeah, I
yeah,
have the
it's
same.
US center.
I have the same value as well.
So if price respected our bullish flag
Hmm.
at this, then and also behaved well on this, then price will move on this side. Okay.
So you are expecting 18,500 between 18,500 and 18,600
Yeah.
because there is a bullish flag when it's price has broken out, price has broken previous higher high as well. So
Yes.
let's move further till 18,500, 600. So this is a good news for Nasdaq lovers. So we are expecting Nasdaq's on 18,500, 600 level as well in near future.
Sadly, we missed our TP just by I guess 5 pip. Let's see
Okay.
if it hits our TP on live on Scalping Titans.
Okay.
Okay, our TP hit.
So OTP hit. Good.
Boom.
Good job. Good job, MSK. Yeah, so first TP live. Okay, during the analysis, MSK gave the call and it hit the TP as well. Well done. Good job, MSK. Okay, so let me move to.
I'm done from my side. I've give all the analysis as well. If we look at the if we give my insights on Euro
So
USD, I was on.
let me finish UK 100 as well. So we
Okay,
would
no
be
problem.
taking in the next session. So we have to give the trade calls as well. Okay, so this is the thing. So that's the UK 100 on weekly time frame. So let's see how does it say. What's it doing on weekly time frame? So it's in a range, playing support and resistance area. UK 100, just sell from here. Okay, and that's the zone. Sell from here and buy here, and things are simple. That's what it's doing on weekly time frame. Since if we say in this moved in this range 31st October, it's in this range. Okay, it entered into start respecting from May 2023. Okay, so it's in the range, like it's 10 months now. My God. Okay, so let's go to daily time frame, UK 100. Okay, so on daily time frame we can see a trend line over here. Is it forming any pattern? Can anyone see a pattern here? Can anyone see a pattern here? Any chart pattern? Okay, no, no problem. So there is one thing over here, that's the thing. Let's see if it is respecting in future. Okay, that's the chart pattern over here. That symmetric triangle, yeah, sort of. So there are two options. One is ascending triangle. If we take this one as a zone, so there this is ascending triangle or symmetric triangle, both seems valid for me. So this is the thing. So let's go to 4 hour. So on 4 hour time frame, if we see the price is making a trend line over here, okay, and there is this one is the resistance zone. This one, price is respecting this resistance zone, okay, and if we see over here on UK 100, this is sort of this thing, okay. So and if we see if there is any spot which is currently making this area valid, so yeah, that's the price. Okay, this is the zone which is making this one valid, that's the one. If you see, tested multiple times. Okay, so this is the spot zone, this is this zone, and there is one more thing which is might be sound interesting to everyone. That's a bullish flag chart pattern. Okay, so if anyone can see if this bullish flag chart pattern, if it's valid or if it's not valid. Can anyone comment? Hmm. 50-50. Okay. Why 50-50, Mr. Hassan Ahmed? Hmm? Let me tell you one thing very interesting. If the length of the pole is smaller than the length of the flag or channel, then as per my knowledge, as per my experience, it does not remain valid. So I would not consider it as valid because the pole is smaller than the flag. Okay, so I won't consider it now a bearish one, other a valid one. That's my taking. I may be wrong. Okay, so I would say uh, price is playing in this range, so we can do like it's in 4 hour time frame. So we can take entries over here, considering stop loss over here. Okay, so we can play in this range. So as I mentioned earlier, since more than 10 months, it's playing in a range. So no big volatility over here. So just play range over here, and we can have good risk rewards as well. Okay, so this is the thing. So that's my take on UK 100. So we are done for the chart analysis now. So we would be giving on like it's giving any trade calls now. So there would be if there is any chart on demand, if you want us to analyze any chart, we would be doing that one. Meanwhile, we would be looking for any live trade signals. So till now we have given two trade signals. So let me see what happened with the gold. So gold call is going on. It's still valid, and the other one call was yeah. So third party was done. So this is the thing. So okay. So MSK, if anything from you. So that's the audience time now. That's the audience time now. Yeah. If anyone want us to do something, why are you trading UK 100 after UK had closed? So I'm not trading. I'm just analyzing, brother, on 4 hour. Okay. So that's the thing, Ashlan, brother.
So if we look at the gold chart right now,
Yeah, okay, let's
okay,
see
it's
here.
tested over all levels
Yeah.
right here. Candle should close below this range. If candle closed above this range after this big move, because uh, after this move, there will be a correction of 100 pips. Now I'm expecting gold to close below this area for the sells, and for the buys, if it close above this area, then the next target will be around this resistances, which is 2088. So let's see how it reacts.
Okay, that's fine. So,
And the JBP JPY is still running. It's good. US
okay.
30. So
Okay,
after
so if
hitting
there is a
the,
call as well, so let's go for the call.
let me check Euro USD.
Yeah,
Uh,
okay, yeah. You go with Euro USD now. That's up to you now.
I'm expecting Euro USD to tap this area. Currently, market just moved up away from the crucial levels. There is no as such call. It will be not good to give a call right now, because the buying levels were for the EU was around 1.07988, and it
Hmm.
just moved up. So currently, I'm just out of the market and enjoying the charts. What's your take on this?
So, it's a GBP GJ or which one?
EU. And the secondly, JPP, JPY, if we look at the shorter time frames, I can
Hmm.
find an entry. If we look at this area, the structure is broke on 15 minute. This was our higher, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and
Hmm.
the next lower high will print at this zone. If I just use my magic tool, Fibonacci levels. Our target is not still achieved yet. I'm expecting it to go 189.457. Let's see if it's correct or not. And secondly, if we look at the other pairs as well, which is my all-time favorite, Euro CAD. So it's moving in a range and showing us a bearish flag. Let me check if there is divergence out over here. So there is no as such divergence over here. I will remove this indicator because to be honest, I like my trading to be indicator free. I can find a good call for you all. So if we analyze it quickly within 2 minutes, this is our support. And on the daily time frame, if we go at this level, our resistance zone where candles are rejecting with this area, and our 50% retracement is the retesting level is this zone, which is around 854. And again, I switch it to 15-minute time frame directly. The price is getting rejected again over here. So market broke the structure, which is here, which is dollar values or EU values are 1.4705 020 and tested it. Our next prediction will be for the EU, a swing trade kind of thing is if we check out the 4-hour chart, main levels are here. Our area will be around this. So price will move at this zone in upcoming time. On 15-minute chart, there is not good entry right now. We will check another pair, which is AUD JPY.
So let me go. Let me give some signal as well. Let me do my work as well, if you don't mind, MSK. So yes, guys, everyone. So let's start hunting from Euro USD. There are two calls as well. One is for the long, one is for the short. So yeah, one is if you see, one is the quick scalp over here. So there are different scenarios over here. So price has moved to has broke this support level previously, that support level. Okay, so that support level was broken. So next target should be that support level as well, this one. Okay, so price is retracing at the moment from this level. Okay, so let me find what I'm looking for. So okay, so if you see, if the price break this level, this resistance, okay, so that would be or stop loss. So let me give you, that's the quick scalp. Let me give you the value as well. So it's on 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame. So it's quick scalp values are so stop loss is 1.08312. So just one sec, please. Okay, yeah. So this one, okay, so stop loss is 1.08312. Okay, and the profit level, so the entry should be 1.08435, and the profit level is 1.08552. So that's my first call in our live session when the price, so that's the uh, 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 it's uh, buy stop order. Okay, so we would take this port level, this is the next resistance, so just before that, this is or that one. Okay, so that's the one trade call. So another trade call is the short call. That's for you can say if the price move to that one. So if you see, it's since long it's playing in the support and resistance in the same area. Okay, so since it entered in this range on 20th February, so since more than 10 days. So if we get the chance, the price comes to this level, the resistance level, so that would be our secure stop loss. Okay, so we can take that one. So let me go to one. Okay, so that would be your secure stop loss, so we can take that one. Okay, and it's 2.69 is the risk reward ratio. Let me sure. So Ahmed Naeem, in short trade on Euro USD, so there are two trades actually. One is on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so that's on 5 minutes time frame. It's a scalp, and there is on a major time frame, it's like 1 hour. That's the scalp one is buy stop, and the major time frame, that's the short one. So there are two trade calls I am giving. Okay, so this is it. So your gold stop loss hit, that's fine, that's part of game. So there was one stop loss hit, one trade, it's one take profit. Okay, so that's part of game, that's fine, it's okay. So there are two trade calls over here. One is the Euro USD, one is both are on Euro USD. One is the scalp call, one is on 5 minutes time frame. That's buy stop order. The another one same on the Euro USD. It goes the resistance. So that's the short call. So let me give you the values for the short call as well. So entry price is 1.08536. It's a strong resistance. Okay, so profit level is so stop loss is 1.08736, and profit level is 1.07999. So that's the profit level. So risk reward ratio on scalp is 1 to 1, and it's on a swing trade, it's like 1 to 2.69. Yeah, so this is thing. So any trade, anything to you, MSK?
So our gold as
That's
was
part
hit
of game, yeah, that's
part of
part
the
of game.
game, you know. So currently we are break even, one SL and one TP. Uh, if we look at the, I have one pair which is around which is USD JPY. So if we look at the daily time frame, the UJ is still let me delete all my drawings. indicators and drawings. So if we look at the chart, price closed again back in the range. This was our support area. This was our support zone, and price closed back in the range. And if
Can you
we
share your screen?
wait, if we look at the UJ chart, price was
If
dumped
if
deep at
anyone
the
like my values, if anyone like my charting, if give me a 1 minute. If anyone like my chart, um, my Euro USD calls, so if you can please give me some uh, um, if you can give me some likes over here, if you can tell me over, give your comments, give your like, I would be really thankful to you. Yeah, carry on, MSK, carry on. Yeah.
So if we look at the daily chart, price broke the structure, but again closed back in the range. And if we look at the 4-hour chart, I like to keep it simple. And currently, if we look at this 4-hour chart, I'm still bullish on dollar after the news as well, because it's my own bias, and this will be our next support. And I am expecting USD JPY to just test this area and again move up towards this direction, which is this. Let me mark it. Here is our another level of range. We will play the range exactly as, and if we move again directly to the 30-minute time frame, I'm expecting it to come down at this zone and just move up towards our level. On 15-minute time frame, price is still expecting this level, as we will look at left on the chart, and this is our range. And if price breaks this range, then we can expect a move towards up on the 15-minute time frame, which is a breakup structure. And again, if we go at the 5-minute chart, so our trade card would be like this: long on current price, and take profit will be around this.
Okay, so what are the values, if you can share the values, MSK?
Our values are 149.997, and TP is 150.347. So, and you can take current entry on current price, which is this zone
Hmm.
as I marked, and our levels are simply we are entering on 150.120. Our stop loss is 149.99, and
If you can
our
show on the screen as well, so that if anyone wants to take the call.
I'm sharing my screen right now.
Yeah, if you can share the values on screen.
Oh, so values are 150. You can also enter on the current market price. Let's see market tracks.
Hmm.
It's again against the trend, and the loss is quite minimal. Let's see if market tracks on this.
Okay, that's
And
fine.
our stop loss will be around 149.996. Our take profit will be 150.347.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. So if price doesn't react on our level, then our next target will be this zone. There are two levels now, the
Mhm.
first and second. Let's see how market tracks.
Okay, that's fine. So that trade is against the trend. So this is a risky trade, but
Yeah,
because
it's a risky
yeah,
trade.
but it's giving, like it's a, good risk reward to ratio. So if it works to someone, yeah. So it's there is a disclaimer from MSK that it's against the trend call. So because it's against the trend call, so it's risky, but with good risk reward ratio as well. So this is the thing. Yeah, let's move to something else. Yeah, okay. So on chart there is a question: can we get a short entry between 2074 to 78? uh, there is a trader 2022. So um, if you can tell analyze gold if there is any entry on 2074 level.
Still, market, if we look at the gold chart, it's not suitable right now to enter again, because it will be again on the same pair, because it's showing a signs of reversal. And the secondly, if the 4 hour candle closed above 2065, then we will look for the buys as well. But what I told you, if we remove my drawing as well, the next our next stop will be, if we look at this zone, candle is still bullish, and if the candle closed above this zone of 2065, then we can expect buy entry.
Yeah.
And its resistance is around, this is last hope for the sellers right now. This is the last hope for the sellers.
Mm.
And let's see how it tracks.
Okay, so if you let me share my screen, can I give my take on gold? Yeah, that's fine. So this is the daily chart. So if we see there was a resistance, so since on daily time frame, so the resistance was formed on 4th of January, okay, 2065, 66 level, okay, and it was waiting for MSK to give a short call from this level so the market can break this resistance. So okay, yeah, so it was really a good call, MSK, because it was a daily resistance which was reacting, which was formed on this resistance was formed on 4th of 24. So it was tested once, twice, so like it's that was the third time anyhow. It's broken now. So there are on daily time frame, if we see, so the next level is uh, that's the next zone. Okay, so this is 2078, 79, something like this. If we go on weekly, okay, so on weekly one is broken, next one 2078 is the target, okay, and then after that it's there is this one, so 2078 is here as well, so it's 2081, like this is the range. So I don't think so that 2078 would be uh, considering, like it's without going into low time frame, just because it's a weekly. uh, so that's the first time it's if we see since it's formed, so that's the first time it would be going over here, but the momentum is so bullish. So uh, we need to analyze on this level when the price would go to 2078, because that would be the first time this level would be tested. So it can be a good resistance level, but considering the fact there can be a wick over here till this level, till 2081, 82, so instead of playing around 2000 74, 78, it's better to play around 2078 and 2080, 81 or 82. That would be a better or secure area for the short players. But at the moment, price is so bullish. If you see, it has broken weekly. So let's see, it's going to 2078 to test 2078. So that's my take. So daily one as well. So it's broken. So 4 hour. Okay, it's so strong bullish candle on every time frame, so bullish. So it's time for sellers to sleep at the moment. uh, Buyers can, on retest and confirmation, buyers can take uh, easy entry as well. Well, Malik, Mr. Malik is asking, is saying that it's okay, should he buy over here as well? Look, it is can be a fake out, it can be a breakout. So let's wait for the retest of the broken resistance. So what I would be doing, for example, if 2065 was the support level on weekly time frame, that's broken. Okay, so this is 15 minutes time frame. So to take entries, uh, there is sort of RSI divergence as well. There is RSI divergence as well, but if you see, it's sinking now in that one. Like, we need to wait for the retrace, we need to wait for the retest of the retest of this broken resistance. There are so many factors we need to consider. So let's see if the fib retracement I take from this one to this one. So if you see, 0.236 is exactly on 2000, the broken resistance. Okay, so price may come to this level. Okay, uh, to 0 point to this support level. So we would see how does it react. There is, if you see, divergences, RSI divergence on low time frame as well. So there is a possibility of reversal, but the trend is so bullish. So maybe divergence is sinking in that one. So at the moment, I am open-ended. I will wait till the price retrace to the support level, retest it. The broken resistance has become a support now. If the price retest, respect 2066 value, and go further, come up, go up, then I would be targeting 2078. So that's the thing. I would wait for its response. If the par price goes straight to 2078 without retracing, so definitely it would retrace from 2078. So considering 2081, 2082 stop loss, uh, you can make some short, you can take some short calls from this value, from 2078, 76, 78, 79. From that one you can take a short as well. But at the moment, it's so bullish with divergence, so market is unclear where it is going. So let's wait for the retest. Yeah, so that's my take. So that was answer for you, Mr. Malik. So anything else? So there are another call as well. So I would like to give a call for gold as well. That would be the short call. Okay, on major time frame, not major time frame, based upon major time frame. So my values would be on secure. So stop loss, let's make 2088. That's very secure, but I will try to make a risky trade from that one. Okay, so instead of 1 to 1, so let's say, yeah, entry price 2078, I will take it random. So my stop loss would be 2082. Okay, so that's my another call for gold. So let's see, it's based upon purely support and resistance on large time frame. Okay, so you can increase, like it's 2088 is another, if you see on, if you let me go on weekly time frame. So this is the value 2081.91. That's this is the stop loss value over here, so that's secure for me. Okay, so 2088 is that one. Okay, so but I think so that the previous resistance is 2078, that something like this. So I think so price would go over here, so I would be shorting considering this weekly candle stop loss a bit more than that, a bit above than that one. This price is 2000. That's value is 2081, but my one is a smaller, sometime like a bigger, so that's one. So that was 2081 was a weekly spot, 2081. My stop loss is a bit secure, 2082.67. Okay, so risk reward ratio is 2.54. So you can manage with this take profit and this entry level. Considering the stop loss, you can increase the stop loss, uh, making it secure but less profit taking, or you can reduce the stop loss as well, uh, and make it more risk reward ratio. So that's thing at the moment, that's a short call on 2078-79 level. That's my take. So euro USD and gold, so we would see next week what happened to my calls. Okay, next session would be on Monday, definitely. So this is the thing, yeah. So this is the code. So it's time to leave now. Actually, I have an appointment. I have to go there. So MSK, so if you give some thing for us, uh, any feedback over here? Did you like it? Did you don't like it? Any comments over here?
Yeah, everything was smooth and good for because it's our first time, and glad to see the response of people right down on the comment section. And currently, I'm hoping good for good for upcoming sessions, and let's see. Let us bless the people around us. And on the good note, I'm ending this session, and I have to go also because it's already 9:14 uh, in my time zone. Thank you for the people who participated and interacted with us. So this is MSK signing off. See you next time.
Yeah, this is Roy. I'm signing off as well. So see you next week. It's 10 GMT Monday. So we would be having two sessions Monday, like for the next week. One is the one is the UK session, 10 a.m. GMT, and the another one is 13 hours GMT time. So thank you so much for watching us, and it was really good fun with you guys. Thank you so much, guys.